How to edit videos for YouTube. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can edit videos for YouTube. So it was very easy. For that you guys will use CapCut because it was very simple editing app and it works on Android, iPhone. So simply download CapCut. Now open it. Here you guys will see new video. In CapCut you guys can subscribe pro version where you guys can get a lot of pro options, but I can use free version. So simply click on new video. Now here you guys will simply import your video. For example, I am importing that pic to tell you how you guys can edit. So the first step will be cropping. So for cropping, you guys will simply, if you want to crop some space etc from video, for example, I want to crop 2 seconds, like from second 3 to 6. So I will go to 3 seconds. Now here I will click that. Now you guys can see split on down. Simply click on split. Now I will simply go to another second where I want to cut from that. So I will simply go to 7 seconds. Now I will click again on split. Now here you guys can see there is 2 cuts on my whole video. So I'll simply click on that cut that I want to remove from. Now here you guys can see on down delete. So simply click on delete, and that's it. That part will be removed. So that's how you guys can cut your videos. For editing music, you guys will simply click on audio. Now you guys can see extract. So in extract you guys can extract music or sound from any videos. Also when you click on sounds, here you guys can import music etc and sfx etc to your CapCut. And once you do that, for adding effects you guys simply click on that effects option. Here you guys can see body effects, video effects, AI effects. So you guys can explore these options and you guys can use that. For exporting the video, you guys will simply click on top right corner export, and that's it. Your exporting will be started. That's how you guys can edit YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.